Good evening, Kardec Radio listeners. Hi, my name is Teresa, and we are here at Kardec Radio's 6 p.m. Pray Without Ceasing program. And this evening, our message begins with Chapter 8 of the book Green Light by Andre Louise, psychographed by Chico Xavier. The name of the chapter is In the Domestic Ambient. Home is not only a building made of stones or wood, it is also a place where harmony and fellowship are practiced. If we as incarnate spirits treated ourselves better in the home, at the very least courteously, as we treat our friends, social problems on earth would be transformed and significantly improved. Support hygiene, but do not be obsessed by it. Practice gentleness and be in a good mood. As much as possible, help with the housework. It is impossible to have order and tranquility without planning tasks and time. Remember that you need your relatives as much as they need you. Happiness in the home is based on small family efforts. So that's the message from the Green Book, Chapter 8, Green Light book from Chapter 8 in the Domestic Ambient by the Spirit Andre Louise, psychographed by Chico Xavier. And welcome to Luciana and Beth, and hello Vanessa. Welcome to you all. And so this is a nice message by Andre Louise, and what struck me is the simplicity of the message, that, it doesn't require a whole heck of a lot for us to instill happiness in our homes. He talked about cleanliness and orderly and just being practice gentleness and helping with the housework, which only makes sense since we all live in one house. And just that idea of being in a good mood, practice being in a good mood. So, yeah, they are simple, but not always easy. So, let us go into our prayer and keeping the message in mind of asking our spiritual guides, mentors, of guidance of how we can bring more harmony into our homes. We thank Kardec Radio and the mentors of Kardec Radio for providing this platform, this space that we can all enhance and nourish our souls daily throughout the day. We are grateful to Andre Louise and Chico Xavier for the beautiful messages and teachings they have sent to help us to improve our lives on earth. Let us connect with the spirits in our homes, seeking cooperation and also discipline and learning for all involved. We take time to practice kindness and gentleness with the people in our homes. So as we leave our homes, we take this with us. We remember our homes as not only a building for protection and shelter, but also a sacred place, one of protection for both spiritually, physically, and emotionally. We also take time to pray for those of our neighbors who are nearby in their homes, and our communities, towns, cities, and states. We ask Mother Mary for her protection and guidance and reminder that all things are passing. We pray for patience and tolerance. With understanding, with love for another, not basically putting up with, but that we actually feel through our hearts understanding for another and allowing them space. We pray for firmness, that when others are experiencing unbalance in their life, that we may provide steady vibrations to help to stabilize those around us. Let us go forward into our week, remembering our home and its sacredness, including the people we live with, our pets, our plants, and even respect and care for our possessions and those of others. Let us remember that we've been taught that to enjoy a spontaneous life, we first must practice order and discipline. And we ask for assistance in doing so. With respect and humility, we ask permission to close our program this evening as we continue into our evening, remembering to pray before we go to sleep, asking for guidance and assistance as we go into an intelligent sleep. We are grateful for this time with Kardec Radio and Nourishing Our Souls, and we encourage everyone to come back tomorrow when we will again pray without ceasing at 6 p.m. Thank you so much, and hello to all who have joined us. I also see Anna Paula and Daisy Gallen. Thank you for joining, and for everyone else who's joined and I can't see your name, we appreciate your presence. Okay, God bless, and see you next Sunday.